This is how washing machines have transformed in over a century. Back in the early 1900s, washing clothes meant scrubbing them on a washboard and using a hand-crank device. Fast forward to the 1950s, when the first electric washing machines emerged, offering convenience with a simple push of a button. Today we have high-efficiency washing machines that use less water and energy, many even featuring smart technology. A surprising fact? The modern washing machine can communicate with your smartphone, ensuring you're always in control of your laundry. Which design do you prefer, the laborious past or our comfy present? Subscribe for more captivating transformations.